Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Forms for voting. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, the docs.google.com/forms. Once you have opened up this official URL, you'll be greeted by the main page. So in this main page right here in the upper right corner, you can get started signing up for an account. If you already have a Google account, you'll be able to log in, and after logging in normally, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. So once you open up the home page, here we can get started. Now we can go ahead and create a new form if we want, or we can take a look at all the forms we have already created. So I'm going to be showing you how to create a form for voting. It's very easy. Basically, click the blank form option right here. By clicking blank form, it's immediately going to go ahead and open up this new form that is created. Then you can then give a name, you can give it a description, and so on. So once you have done that, it's going to appear right here in your recent forms, and then you can go ahead and open it up. So by opening it up, as you can see, I already have a form right here. I gave it a name, tutorial form for a video, and now you can get started. Basically guys, if you want to go ahead and enable voting, you can just go ahead and put a question right here. As you can see, you have the plus button right here at the right side of the screen that's going to enable you to add a question, and then you can either make it multiple choice, you can make it check boxes, and so on, depending which way you want it to be voted, and then you can name the options what they are and the vote options, so people, once they open up the form, will be able to click any of the options and submit them. And basically that's how to do voting in Google Forms. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.